In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 250 by 2 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 2. We know that 2 times 1 is 2. Subtract, we get a 0. Now this 0 is less than 2. That is why we will bring down this number 5 here. Now see that this is the number 5. So we can remove this 0. And we know that 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract, we get 1. Now again see that this 1 is less than 2. Therefore, we will again bring down this 0 here. And we know that 2 times 5 is 10. If we subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the number 0 and there is no number to bring down here, so we will stop. Therefore, the value of 250 divided by 2 is equal to 125. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.